You are going to love the 2019 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.